Welcome to Daily News Updates by the Shipping Tribune. Here we bring you the latest maritime daily news in a short form video format. Please subscribe for regular updates. Freight Market Scenario by Saigal Seatrade.
The Asia-Pacific Supramax market was a mixed bag on August 1st, despite soft sentiment persisting in the Pacific Basin. Asia-Pacific Panamax market freight rates showed a mixed reaction on August 1st.
India and Vietnam team up to preserve maritime history with NMHC in Lothal, Gujarat. India and Vietnam, two nations with a rich and intertwined maritime history, are joining forces to develop the National Maritime Heritage Complex in Lothal, Gujarat. This partnership, rooted in centuries-old maritime connections, highlights the enduring bond between the two countries and the commitment to preserving and celebrating their shared heritage. A memorandum of understanding was signed between India and Vietnam at Hyderabad House in New Delhi. This MOU marks a significant step forward in the collaborative efforts to bring the NMHC to life, further strengthening the strategic partnership between the two nations. Maersk lifts guidance as Red Sea disruption and strong demand continue. Shipping group Maersk opens a new tab, raised its full-year earnings and market demand forecasts on Thursday, partly due to disruptions to Red Sea trading routes, but also said prospects for the fourth quarter were uncertain. The Danish group, seen as a barometer of world trade, said it now expected global container market volumes to increase 4 to 6% this year, up from its previous forecast of growth at the upper end of 2.5 to 4% range. Wadwa Port Development kicks off 20,600 crore rupees proposal launch for land reclamation project to kickstart the construction of a greenfield container port at Wadwa in Maharashtra. The Jawaharlal Nehru Port Authority has invited expressions of interest from investors and private developers. The 20,647 crore rupees EOI aims to select an entity to handle land reclamation for the port and the construction of an offshore protection bund. The project will involve dredging the approach channel and harbour basin, as well as reclaiming 1,227 hectares of offshore area. Approximately 200 million cubic meters of reclamation material will be required for the port. Crude oil imports from Russia down 6.5% on month in July. India's crude oil imports from Russia fell by 6.5% in July to 1.81 million barrels per day from 1.94 million barrels per day in June, as Russian refineries ramped up runs to meet the country's own summer demand, data sourced from Vortexa showed. Russia remained as the top crude supplier to India in July, although import volumes were down month on month. Higher supplies from Saudi Arabia and Mexico partially offset declines from Russia, Iraq and Nigeria, leading to a marginal decline in the country's total crude imports, said Serena Huang, head of APAC analysis at Vortexa. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit the like button if you like the video, leave a comment down below and subscribe to the Shipping Tribune YouTube channel if you haven't already.